Hello,
magandang
good day, good
umaga
evening
sa
to
lahat ng ating mga
everyone. Yeah,
kaibigan
good
dyan.
time from France,
At
from Europe. We have a new
China.
discover para sa
instant ha.
kung gusto mong maging mabusog immediately.
Pwede mo siyang lutuin sa isang
My beautiful daughter make the like this.
Ayan. Okay? Ayan o. Naluluto siya ng sarili niyang
Instant food.
at
You can cook your own pot. Okay. This one. What the flavor of that baby?
si bigas.
Hindi ko alam.
What?
Spicy sausage.
Sinasayang
Sausage.
niya. Walang wala naman siyang aspect. Pero nagtataka lang ako.
And that one, the finished
Meron
one.
ganitong technology ang China.
So you cook again that one and put in
So,
water.
yan.
Okay.
Sana okay to. Sana
Okay.
healthy.
Okay. It's very,
Basahin din
very
ninyo
delicious.
kung ano yung,
Wow, it's already
kung
cooked.
ano yung content ng
Wow.
itong process ng
You see, guys.
kasi
Instant. This is the rice. Then I don't know how. Oh, this is magic. You know, new technology from Korea.
China.
Huh?
China.
That is China. I'm sorry. I thought because China. Sorry. From China.
from China.
My daughter is correct. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That is the one thing. And this is my very good apo. What is your name?
Yan, si Bryce.
1 plus 1?
Equals 2.
2 plus 2?
Equals 4.
4 plus 4?
Equals 8.
8 plus 8?
16.
Oh my goodness, very good in my. This is my apo.
Bryce.
Okay, see?
Alright.
This is Bryce. Okay.
Kaming dalawa.
And this is our Papa Bear Moto Vlog. Okay? Yeah.
Nasa pa.
I show you in my YouTube and see you in my YouTube. You can show there in my YouTube. Papa Bear.
My parents color red.
Yeah.
Gustuhan ninyo.
Okay. If you have iPad, you just look my YouTube. Okay, baby?
Bear.
Okay. Hello. Good day, good evening to everyone. Yeah, good time from France, from Europe. We have a new discover para sa kung gusto mong maging mabusog immediately. My beautiful daughter make the like this. Okay. Wow. Instant food. You can cook your own pot. Okay. This one. What the flavor